GoTo Resolve is designed to handle multiple remote support sessions seamlessly, allowing technicians to provide faster service to more clients simultaneously. But does it really stand out in a crowded field of remote support tools? Let's take a closer look at how GoTo Resolve supports multiple remote sessions and whether it's the best choice for your needs. First off, GoTo Resolve allows technicians to manage multiple sessions at once without feeling overwhelmed. It's a highly efficient solution for businesses that need to juggle various remote support tasks simultaneously. Technicians can switch between sessions effortlessly, ensuring no customer is left waiting for too long. However, while it does offer this multitasking capability, it's not always perfect for every scenario, especially when it comes to performance with a high volume of concurrent sessions. Next thing, GoTo Resolve uses a tab-based interface that makes it easy to toggle between sessions. This user-friendly design is great for those who aren't tech-savvy and need a straightforward tool. But when compared to other solutions, it can feel a bit limited. Some competitors, like TeamViewer, offer more robust interfaces that allow for deeper customization, which could be essential for complex remote support needs. The third thing to note is GoTo Resolve's ease of access to additional features like file transfer and remote reboot. These are key for effective support, but there are limitations. For instance, while GoTo Resolve lets you handle these tasks during multiple sessions, the process is often clunky and not as smooth as other software. This might slow things down during more critical or time-sensitive operations. Another important aspect to consider is its pricing. GoTo Resolve offers a solid pricing model that makes it accessible for small to medium-sized businesses. However, for larger operations, it may get costly, especially when adding extra features or increasing the number of simultaneous users. This is where other software, like AnyDesk or Splashtop, may offer more competitive pricing for larger-scale needs. Lastly, GoTo Resolve is part of a broader GoTo product suite, which is a positive if you're already using other tools like GoToMeeting or GoToWebinar. The integration between their products is seamless. However, if you're not tied to their ecosystem, you might find better value with standalone competitors. Now, as promised, let's talk about alternatives. While GoTo Resolve does a decent job at handling multiple remote support sessions, there are other tools that can give you a more polished experience, especially if your goal is scalability and smoother multitasking. For example, tools like AnyDesk and Zoho Assist offer better performance when managing multiple concurrent sessions with faster connection speeds and a more intuitive interface. Plus, they come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. In fact, if you're considering GoTo Resolve, I'd recommend trying out the competition first. Through our exclusive link, you can access not only GoTo Resolve's extended free trial, but also special benefits with these alternatives. You'll get access to the best free trials and features only available to our viewers. So, before you make your decision, try both and see which one aligns with your business goals.